There's nothing better than a quick and easy sloppy joe.
And we're going to make those for you today.
Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And the weather's getting warmer, and I am ready for some sloppy joes. What about you?
Definitely. And so we've got everything prepped, and so let's take you back to the skillet and we'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we're starting off with 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. So we're just going to get this browned up a little bit. Time for the chopper, Sheila. You want to chop?
Yeah, I'll chop.
You chop. You go.
All right.
She's taking her aggressions out on the hamburger meat. It's a handy little tool, isn't it?
I love this thing. You can get these things right here, like at Dollar Tree, or it's really easy to use. Okay, we got 1 medium chopped up onion.
Oops.
1 medium diced up red bell pepper.
And then we got Sheila's favorite word, the W sauce.
Yeah, the sauce.
Worcestershire sauce. We got 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire we're going to put in here. Alright, so then I've got some onion powder and paprika, and we've got a tablespoon of both. So I'm just going to sprinkle that over the meat. And by the way, if you're not using lean ground beef, you're going to want to drain the excess fat from the beef. But since this is lean 85-15, we really don't need to, because it's pretty much gone. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic we're going to add in here. Of course, you know how we love our garlic.
We do. Garlic, onions.
Alright, so we're going to add, we have a can of tomato sauce, and we're just going to add that around in here. And this is a 15-ounce can. And we've got 1.5 teaspoons of mustard and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And we're just going to add that in here. Mix that up.
So it's getting sloppier by the minute, isn't it?
It is. Yummy. And then once we've got that mixed in, we want to take our brown sugar, and we've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. That's going to give it a really nice taste. And we're going to mix this up and let it simmer, and we're going to get our buns toasted.
Yes.
Sheila and I are going to toast our buns. So we'll let that simmer. We're going to turn that down to low.
Now that we got our buns buttered.
Alright, we're going to put those face down on our grill and get these toasted.
The reason why we're toasting these buns with butter on it is because that way the sauce of the sloppy joes will not seep through the bread.
It makes it easier when you're trying to eat it. That's perfect. Bottom bun. Nice and brown. Almost on that. Almost. I'm going to put another one of those on there for Mom, because she's going to want one of these too, huh, Sheila?
She will. She'll love this.
You betcha. Alright, I'm going to salt this a little bit. And you can salt this to taste. And I'm going to turn this off. And we're going to get ready for our sloppy joes. Okay, so we've got our sloppy joes.
Looks good.
And our toasted buns. And we're ready. You
Yes.
want to give me a dollop of that
Yeah, give me a dollop.
delicious stuff?
I like stuff that's sloppy because I'm sloppy with everything I eat.
Oh, yeah. That looks so good. That's good.
There you go.
All right. Get you some.
Let's get some cheese over there.
Yes, please.
All right.
Got some cheese. Just gonna sprinkle
There
some of
we
my
go.
cheese on there. I'm gonna sprinkle you some cheese.
Yes.
It looks so good and
Yes.
messy.
Yes. it's
All right. Let's try it.
messy. Okay. Ready?
Messy, good stuff. Oh. Mmm. And you might need a spoon to scoop up some of that stuff that falls off, but oh, that's so good. Wow, delicious.
This is good.
This is good. I'm happy. It's lunchtime here in Tennessee.
Starving.
Well,
as Steve would say,
is this the best Sloppy Joes? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter,
Instagram.
And all of our social links are right below this video, including the recipe for our Sloppy Joes. And you can also visit us at shotgunred.com.
Right.
And we have the world famous Shotgun Red dolls, DVDs,
and t-shirts.
We have t-shirts, coffee mugs. So get you one of those.
Tote bags.
Tote bags, yes. Get you one of those. And we will see you next week right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. Ready?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Let's go.
Go.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.